A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to GK class. Today, in this GK class, we are going to start with our GK book work. Okay, so take out your GK book, open page number 40. This one. What is the heading? Know your manners. Okay, now write down today's date. Look. This is a full page. Okay. This is a full page. So put the date on both page. Okay. Here also and in this page also. Understood? So shall we start? First of all, we are going to read this light green box. Okay. Look. Manners make a good impression on others. Our manners make a good impression on others. They also make us feel good about ourselves. Let's play a game to test your good manners. Do you know the good manners make a man good impression? Yes or no? And if you treat someone with a bad impression, bad manners, then your bad impression will fall into them. Yes? So look, here is a game chart on page number 40 and 41. What you have to do, we are going to read ahead. Okay. Look, use a dice. You all know the dice? Okay. And a marker to move ahead. Follow the instruction given in the box. If you land on a box which displays good manners, you can skip ahead a few boxes. However, if you land on a box which displays bad manners, you will be pushed back a few boxes. Let's start now. So, for playing this game, you need dice and marker. Okay, what you need? Dice and marker. And what you have to do? Suppose you have taken the dice. Okay, then put that dice on the book. If your dice fall on a good, then read that box. If your dice fall on a good manners, okay, then you will move to the next box. Okay, and if your dice fall on the bad box, then you have to come back. It's just like a Ludo game. Okay. Snacks and letter you have played now, same way. So shall we start? This game you have to play at your home with your siblings. Okay. I am going to read out the manners and I am going to tell you which is the good manner and which is bad manners. Okay, just take a pencil and write down good or bad. Okay. So, look, this boy is showing a thumb to start a game. Now, on first number, a house is there. Okay. Now, second is, this game will start with a pow, a single dot pow. Okay. So, second one, look, you greeted your family members when you woke up. जब आप सुबह सुबह उठते हो तो आप अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स को गुड मॉर्निंग विश करते हो. Yes or no? So this is a good habit or bad? This is a good habit. So in second number write down good. Write down second number good. Okay. Now look. Third, fourth number we have to skip. Look at the fifth number. What is this? This is a traffic light. Yes or no? This is a traffic light. So what is written on the sixth number? You helped an old man cross the road. You helped an old man to cross the road. आप किसी भी old man की road को cross करने में help करोगे. It is a good manners or bad? Good one. So in sixth number also write down good. Okay, it is a good habit. Now 7, there is nothing. 8 is, what is this? Which picture is this? This is school. Okay. On 9th number, what is written? You shared your lunch with your classmates. It is a good habit to share your lunch with your classmates or bad? It is a good habit. So on 9th number, write down good. Okay. Now comes to 10, 11, 12 is empty. Okay. 10, 11, 12 is empty. Come to 13. You forget to chew your food, mouth closed. अगर आप, how you have to eat the food? By closing your mouth. Yes or no? And here it is written, if you forget to close your mouth while chewing. हमें हमेशा कैसे खाना खाना चाहिए? माउथ को बंद करके एंड बिना आवाज़ निकाले. ओके. और जो आवाज़ मुंह खोल खोल के करते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, वो आवाज़ निकालते हैं. इट मीन्स दैट इज बैड हैबिट. सो दिस इज 13 one is bad habit. So in 13 number, write down bad. Now 14, 15, 16 is empty. Now come to 17 number. You got into a fight with your classmate. आपको अपने classmates के साथ fight करनी चाहिए. It is a good habit or bad? It is a bad habit. We never used to fight with our classmates because they all are friends. Yes or no? So in 17 number, write down bad. Now comes to 18 number. What is this? This is a shopping mall. Okay. In 19 number, you help your uncle carry the shopping. When you go for the shopping, okay, a lot of bag will be there now. So when you will take that bags from the uncle, it means it is a good habit or bad? It is a good habit. Okay. So in 19 number, write down good. Okay. Now 20, 21, 22 is empty. Comes to 23rd. What is this? Pastry shop. Yes, yummy pastry will be there. Yes or no? So look, what is written on the 24th number? You waited your turn politely in a queue. आप पेस्ट्री शॉप पे जा रहे हो, वहाँ पर आपको कैसे खड़ा होना पड़ेगा? लाइन में. यस. एंड कैसे? क्वाइटली. इट्स अ गुड हैबिट और बैड? It is a good habit. And if you push someone else and shout it, then it is a bad habit. So in 24 it is a good habit. So write down in 24 number good. Okay. Now look, 25th. It is empty. 26 is also empty. 27 empty. Now look, what is written on the 28th number? You forget to say thank you to the cashier. You forget to say thank you to the cashier. आपको जब कोई मनी रिटर्न कर रहा है, आपको कोई भी चीज़ दे रहा है, तो what you have to say? Thank you. It is a good habit. And if you forget to say thank you, then it is a good habit or bad? It is a bad habit. So 28th number is a bad habit. Okay. You always have to say thank you. Okay. So in 28th number, write down bad. Okay. Now 29 and 30 is empty. Now come to 31. You sneezed without covering your mouth. Whenever you used to sneeze, what you have to do? You always have to cover your mouth with your hand or hanky. Okay, and whenever you are sneezing, always put a hand or hanky on your to cover your mouth. It is a good habit. And while sneezing, if you are not putting your hand or hanky in front of your mouth, then it means it is a bad habit. Okay, so this is a good habit or bad? What is written? You sneezed without covering your mouth. It means this is a bad habit, because in this the person has not covered his mouth. So in 31, write down bad. 32. What is this? Home. Now come to 33. You clean your room yourself. Now, how many of you clean your room by yourself? Tell me. Tell me fast that how many of you are there who used to clean the room by yourself? Raise your hands up. Very good. Those who are raising your hands up, it means that you all are doing a good job. Now those who are not cleaning their room with themselves, start cleaning up. Okay? Because अगर आप अपने रूम को क्लीन करके रखोगे, इससे किसकी हेल्प होगी? मम्मा की. और आपके अंदर कैसे मैनर्स आएंगे? गुड मैनर्स. ओके, आप अपनी सारी चीजें, टॉयज, बुक्स, स्टेशनरी को प्रॉपर जगह पे रखोगे. ओके, प्रॉमिस? Okay, so this is a good habit to clean your room yourself or bad? Good. So in 33, write down good. Okay. Now comes to 34. It is empty. 35. You talk rudely on the phone. आपको फोन कॉल पे रूडली बात करनी चाहिए या फिर पोलाइटली बात करनी चाहिए? पोलाइटली बात करनी चाहिए. हमें कभी भी फोन पे किसी से गुस्से में बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? कौन, आप बताइए कौन कौन लोग गुस्से में बात करता है? वेरी बैड. आप कभी भी गुस्से में बात नहीं करोगे. हमेशा आपको कैसे बात करनी चाहिए? पोलाइटली. ओके, एंड सॉफ्टली. अंडरस्टूड? So in 35, write down bad. Okay. Now 36, 37 is empty. 38, toy shop. Your toy shop is there. Look what is written on 39 number. You nag your parents to buy you an expensive toys. आप अपने पेरेंट्स से जिद करते हो कि आप मुझे एक्सपेंसिव गिफ्ट्स दो. येस और नो? यू ऑलवेज यूज टू buy, you always ask to your parents to buy expensive gift? No. आपके पेरेंट्स हमेशा आपके लिए अच्छा सोचते हैं. वो आपको जो भी दिया करे आप वो ले लिया करो. वो आपकी एज के अकॉर्डिंग आपको गिफ्ट्स देते हैं. ओके, तो आपको कभी भी एक्सपेंसिव गिफ्ट्स के लिए जिद नहीं करनी चाहिए. ओके, so in 39 number, write down bad. Okay, look in 40, what is this? Good job. Understood? Write down all these good and bad in your page number 40 and 41. Now beta, look one more thing. Wait, stop your work right now. Look, this page you have to read very carefully. Okay, understood? This page you have to read it very carefully. Okay, your homework is to read out the page number 40 and 41. Okay, so do your homework very properly and follow these good manners, not bad manners. Okay, do a promise with me that you always follow a good manners. Okay, you all are good students now. Okay, now copy it fast. Everyone has done? Okay, thank you. And don't forget to read out the page. Okay? Thank you everyone.